Very good morning, students. We discussed in last video lecture the properties of gamma functions. Now we discussed in today's video lecture is numerical problem of beta function. This is the very important topic for the university question paper purpose, and numerical problem are depend on properties of beta and gamma function. And the second important part of the numerical problems are substitution terms. This is the very important for numerical problems. Now we see here the first question is express the integral 0 to 1 x to the power 3 upon 1 minus x to the power 7 dx in terms of beta function. First, let I is equal to, suppose this integral is denoted by any notation, then we write b hat. But this integral is not represented by any notation, then let I is equal to, integral is denoted by I, therefore let I is equal to integration 0 to 1 x to the power 3 upon 1 minus x to the power 7 into dx. But we know that beta function belongs to beta mn equal to this, beta mn equal to 0 to 1 x to the power. Here we see all terms in the format of numerator, not denominator is 1. Therefore we change the denominator in the form of 1. Therefore we transfer 1 minus x to the power 7 in numerator format. Then 1 minus x to the power 7 minus 1 by 2 into dx. Is that clear? And we see again in beta function x to the power m minus 1. We have x to the power 3. So 3 we write minus in the form of minus 1. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. We write this term 4 minus 3 is the 1. And 1 minus x to the power 7 to the power minus 1 by 2. But extra term is here x to the power 7. Because of we have x to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus x, only x. X have no power, x have only power of 1. Therefore, we change x to the power 7 in the form of x or y. So now we change the variable x in the y. Let on putting x to the power 7 is equal to y implies x equal to y to the power 1 upon 7. This dx upon dy is equal to, on differentiation with respect to y, because of x change into y value. Therefore dx upon dy, first we differentiate the power 1 upon 7 y to the power 1 upon 7 minus 1, this is minus 6 upon 7, therefore dy cross multiplication, this is this. Then by equation 1, on putting the our values in equation 1, x is replaced by y to the power 1 upon 7. So x is y to the power 1 upon 7 to the power 3, then 3 upon 7, and 1 minus by x to the power 7 is by minus 1 by 2. This, and dx equal to this value. Dx equal to this value. Now we solve. 1 upon 7 is constant. Then outside of the circle, outside of the integration, 1 upon 7, integration 0 to 1 y to the power minus 6 upon 7 and y to the power 3 upon 7. The base are same, both terms. Therefore, the sum of power. Therefore, y to the power minus 3 upon 7 and 1 minus y to the power minus 1 by 2 into dy. This is the exact format of beta function. But something is changed over here in this term because of beta function x to the power n minus 1 and same 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. But we have not minus 1 and minus 1. So therefore this term will be changed in the format of minus 1. So therefore 3 upon 7 plus 1 and minus 1. This is the center. So this solution is belongs to minus 4 upon 7. Sorry, plus 4 upon 7 minus 1. So this term is written as 4 upon 7 minus 1. This is the minus 1. How to write? Plus 1 and minus 1. And we solve this term 4 upon 7 and 1. Similarly, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, plus 1 and minus 1. This is 1 by 2, minus 1 is 1 by 2. Then 1 upon 7 or this term is belongs to beta function. There is no hesitation to write beta m. So therefore, m is 4 upon 7 and n is 1 by 2. This is the terms of beta function. And next question is express the integral 0 to 1 x to the power n 1 minus x square to the power n into dx in terms of beta function. In terms of beta function. Here same, let I is equal to this. Extra term is this because of we should have 1 minus x only, but we have 1 minus x square and beta function is only 1 minus x. Therefore, the extra term is this. So substitution term is x square. On putting x square equal to y, then x equal to this, then did differentiation, putting on this 1 upon 2 is constant term outside of this integration. Therefore, y to the power m by 2 and this, then base are same. Therefore, the sum of the power and 1 minus this. Therefore, same we will change the minus 1 format. So therefore, the plus 1 and minus 1. The plus 1 and minus 1. Same here, plus 1 and minus 1. And we solve this term, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 minus 1. Then we write m by 2 plus 1 by 2, this is m plus 1 upon 2 and m plus 1. This is the total expressed in beta function. Now express the integral, this integral in terms of beta function. This is the no change. This function, this integral is belongs to totally beta function. Therefore, there is not necessary for the substitution term. X to the power 4 minus 1 format, then 5 minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 1. This is the 3. We have x to the power 4, 1 minus x to the power 3, then 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the beta function. So totally there are the 3 important questions of beta function. These questions are important for the university purpose. Okay, thank you.